What's up? What's going on? How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're doing good and well on this beautiful day that you're watching this video. Today is... What is today? Today is Tuesday as I'm filming this. This should be uploaded Tuesday. If not, it is what it is. Today is going to be pretty much a chill video. I gotta actually put on a new splitter since mine got clapped a couple days, well, like 2 days ago. Me and Randy went cruising and got clapped. I got my PCI seat brackets for the passenger side, so I'll probably mount that today, even though I have no passenger seat. Whamp, whamp, whamp. And yeah, so it's gonna be a chill day today, man. Just hanging out, cooling out, chilling. Baking back, baking bull, you know how I mean? If you guys didn't know, I had to shave off my beard because I'm starring in a Netflix original series called Bright 2. It's a sequel to a movie called Bright. I don't know, they sounded like one of the main characters. I was like, I guess, so. I'm just kidding. I was actually gonna do all this stuff yesterday, so that's why the lip is already off. I just gotta take it out to the front, and then we shall proceed with putting on one of these. I had made two. I had made one for a guy that wanted to buy it, but he flaked, so that's that. So I got two backup splitters. Yes, sir. Sometimes things just work out for the best. For the best. All right, so check what happened to my splitter, dog. I don't know what animal I hit, but that MF is dead, bruh. He out of here. It's wraps. I'ma holla at you, playboy. Be easy, pimp. Goal of attack. Remove all the hardware needed. And like, look at that. Look at my splitter. It's like broken off right there too, kind of. So I gotta loosen up all these 10 mil. I think it's like 12 mils. Pretty sure it's 12 or 13 mil bolts. And then put on the new splitter, paint it, and all that fun jazz. So that's all we gotta do today, brother. Well, one of the things to do today. So I ran into a little boo-boo. Let me show you. For my splitter bracket, if you guys can see, I can get 1, 2, and can't get the third one in. So I have to widen this a little bit bigger and then run washers.
From a coward, fuck it though, you got a way bigger talk. I'ma do it so big they won't know what to call.
Remember how I said, like, it feels like they put chemicals in the grass because they cut grass like every 2 days? I wasn't lying. Told you. Some time has elapsed, and here is the splitter all done. And that's it, baby. So we went from ashy to the classy. I don't know what animal I hit in the road that day, but it sure enough clacked the splitter. Thank God I didn't clap the lip. You see how, can you see that? Should be able to. Clapped. But it's all good now. All good. So now that we got the splitter taken care of, let's address my PCI seat brackets. Well, seat bracket. Okay, so it is time to install this seat bracket. Well, not install, but like assemble this seat bracket. And I forgot how mad I got last time doing this, bro. There is just these simple instructions I can't follow for some reason. Like, if you guys, for the people that have been watching the channel for a minute that don't miss a video, y'all know when I first got these PCI brackets for the driver's side, how much of a pain in the ass it was for me to do, bro. Like, it looks simple. Like, oh yeah, bro, that's what you do. No, 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 no. No. Yeah. Oh, wow. I don't remember that being the picture. Oh, shoot. It's kind of nice. Maybe I can do this. Maybe I can do this, playboy. Put y'all on a time lapse and then just send it. And if I get mad and leave, then So you guys aren't watching this on a Tuesday, because it's 10 o'clock and yeah. So I'm back in the garage. I'm working on the seat mounts. Let me just bring you guys up to speed real quick. So to mount these bad boys, it's not too hard. The hardest part, I think, is removing the slider while it's not mounted. You got to use this, and then it's not really a two-person job. I did it by myself, but it's easier with two people. Somebody can slide it while you lift up on the tab or whatever. But once you lift up on this and slide it, then you use the bracket. I guess just really following the directions on it, really. It's pretty simple, you know what I mean? Like, once you follow the directions, I guess I got it. Now I'm just mounting up to the thing, mounting the slider to the actual seat mount or mount itself. And PCI is so cool, man, so cool. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm just sitting here listening to some Big Sean. Big Sean is the GOAT, and I'm just thinking, like, I don't know why people hate on people, man. Like, I truly don't understand why people hate. Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't see the benefit of hating on somebody whose main goal is to, like, inspire people and take care of his family. And I don't know why I get hate. And I know, like, this has been something I've always dealt with, because it's just something I just don't understand. Like, I know you're not gonna be everybody's favorite, and I know people are not gonna like you, but, like, how do you hate somebody you don't know? You know what I mean? Like, it's just, I don't deal well with hate or any type of feeling that's not love, because growing up, that's all I wanted. It was just love, to feel loved. And it took me up until 24 to, like, love myself in a way where, like, I don't need, you know, like, a girlfriend or want a girlfriend, or, you know what I mean? Because I got myself. Although it's nice to have a girlfriend and, you know, just do shit like this with, like, help. Like, imagine, right, I had a girlfriend or whatever, and she's helping me build seat brackets at 11 o'clock at night. You know what I mean? It's cool to have a partner to do cool shit with and, like, share life experiences with. But until you get right with yourself, then, you know, it's not gonna work out. And that's probably why, that is why, like, most of my relationships never worked out, because I lacked self-love. So it was hard for me to love someone else, even though, like, I can say, like, oh, I love this person with everything, which I do believe I did. Like, I love hard, dog. Like, not to hit y'all with some sensitive stuff, but, like, actually, I don't give a shit. This is my YouTube channel. I know most real men appreciate talks like this, when, you know, a young buck like myself can keep it real and transparent with y'all and just, you know, let y'all in on, you know, my emotions and stuff. Cause I'm very emotional, dog. I'm a very emotional dude, and, like, I don't know, dog. I'm just very emotional. Something I've always dealt with. It's actually not that bad doing this seat bracket. It's actually pretty easy. Sometimes I catch myself wondering, like, what would have happened if I actually did kill myself in 10th grade? Like, you know, like, how would I have impacted your life? Like, let's see. If Zosh died 10 years ago, or however long, yeah, it was about, like, 9 years ago. If Percy died 9 or 10 years ago, like, I wonder what impact I have on people. Like, what would Randy be today? You know what I mean? Like, where would my friends be today? You know what I mean? Like, what would have happened? Like, I wouldn't have seen my niece, or, like, would my sister, like, I don't know. It's just crazy to think about stuff like that, because, you know, that's all I do. When I don't really do nothing all day besides, like, YouTube shit and try to think of ways to, like, I don't know, get people to, you know, mess with the videos more and the channel and all that stuff. But it's just crazy, dude. It's just crazy. My whole goal is to, like, inspire people, man. And I really want to be, like, an inspiration to, like, people. Like, whether it's kids, adults, you know what I mean? Like, I just want to make people feel good about themselves. I just want to be great. Like, that's the thing. Like, I just want to be a good dude to people. I want people to look at me as a good dude. Like, I really do have I love feeling validated. We all just want to be loved at the end of the day. And that's what I yearn for. I yearn to feel like someone needs me in their life. Like, I yearn for that. Like, I yearn for, you know, to have someone go above and beyond for me, to make me feel like, you know, they want me in their life. You know what I mean? Like, we all want to feel that shit. Like, it's nice. And you know what I mean? I've always done that to others, but, you know, probably not in the way that they would like. You know what I mean? Like, showing somebody validation in the way like they want to be shown validation. But I always like subconsciously or consciously just make the effort to let people know that, like, you know, they mean a lot to me, because like that's what I want. So maybe, you know, the more I do, then the more it'll happen for me. I don't know. Rambling on. How to do this side. A couple hours ago, I was stressing the hell out about this seat bracket, but when I forwarded into the garage late night to just I don't know, just to work on something, just to keep my mind busy, I finished it. And here it is, completed seat bracket. Let's get it, let's get it. The only thing that's left is another seat for this bracket. My stomach hurt. Oh man, this video went on for way too long in my eyes. It's been like 2 days. I didn't do nothing today. I don't know. I've been in this mood lately where like I just been like, been trying to chill, dog. But let's get back to the grind, baby. With, I don't know, whatever this video was. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoy seeing my face. I'm watching Dustin Williams right now, and bro, man got sponsored by Spoon, dog. What a blessing. Congrats, dog. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm hungry. I want some chicken nuggets from Wendy's, dog. I think I'm gonna get some. Thank y'all. Comment down below your thoughts on how cool I am. Zosh MFG merch down below. Social security numbers. Thank you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.